Best dehumidifier for 4x4-grow-tent. We review top 5 best dehumidifier for 4x4-grow-tent. SEAVON Electric. The first best dehumidifier for grow-tent product on our list comes from SEAVON. This compact device with a 500 ml maximum capacity processes approximately 250 ml of moist air daily and works best in small rooms and spaces. The dehumidifier's optimal room size is 180 square feet. Auto shut-off function. Easily to remove water tank. Incredibly quiet and efficient. An excellent choice for small spaces. Frigidaire FFAD7033R1. Best dehumidifiers for a grow tent comes from Frigidaire, a renowned consumer appliance brand that has been around for over a century. The craftsmanship and quality in their work come through once again in the FFAD7033R1 dehumidifier with its high capacity of 70 pints per day. High quality craftsmanship quality. 70 pint per day capacity. Space-wise movable design. Keystone XTAD 50B Energy Star 50 pint portable. The Keystone XTAD 50B dehumidifier is perfect for someone who has a fairly large grow tent and wants to keep their best items, tools, and vehicles safe from rust, mold, and stale odors. This dehumidifier filters 50 pints of moisture per day in a space of up to 3,000 square feet. Easy to use electronic controls and LED display. Drain hose outlet for continuous operation. Filters up to 50 pints of moisture per day. ProBreeze Electric Mini. ProBreeze Dehumidifier. If you have a fairly small grow tent, you need not buy the best 30-pint dehumidifier electrical appliance. If you have a space of around 220 square feet, 1,540 cubic feet. Removes 18 ounces of water moisture from the air per day. Auto shut-off/auto restart feature during power outage. Peltier technology for whisper quiet operation. ProBreeze Portable Mini Dehumidifier. ProBreeze Mini Dehumidifier strives for giving the most energy-efficient and quiet operation. This leading company provides exceptional value to its products, especially in the air purifiers. Cheap dehumidifier for grow tent. Lightweight and portable dehumidifier. Automatically switched off when the tank is full.